Hello, welcome to another video on my channel. Before I start this video, here are a couple of common questions. Have you received a comment on your video about your mouse pointer being too small? Or do you have a hard time following your mouse pointer? If so, here's a quick guide on how to increase your mouse pointer size and color. Because mouse pointer is an essential feature that helps navigate the desktop more efficiently. However, the pointer is too small, it will be hard for viewers to follow. So here's a quick guide on how to increase your mouse pointer size and change the color based on your interest. So let's go ahead and jump on this video. First of all, you're going to click on Start and then click on Settings. Under Windows Settings, we're going to click on Ease of Access. Under Ease of Access, we are going to click on Mouse. Under Display, under the display, we're going to click on Mouse Pointer. On the right over here, if you see, we have different options over here. So the first one is change pointer size and color. All you had to do is click and hold, drag this to the left and to the right to change the mouse pointer size. So what I had was at 3. So if you keep going to the right, it changes the size of your pointer. So I'm going to leave it right here. And it's a lot bigger than what I had before. And then the second option over here, we can choose to change the color. All we had to do is click on Custom. So you click on Custom, this is automatically chosen for us. So we can always change this to a different color. We can choose blue, purple, yellow, or pick a custom color over here. You can always move this to the right, change it to anything we want. This makes it a lot easier for users to basically see your mouse pointer. In case you want to make a video, when you move your cursor, at least viewers can see where your cursor is, where you're clicking. So it is a lot easier for users to see. So here it is. Thank you for watching, and please leave your comments down below. Please support my channel by clicking on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon for more videos.